مرحبا جوارا. Hello everyone. أكون بخير حاتم Kurdish lesson. Hey, you are welcome to Kurdish lesson. So as you see, after a long time I came here. So our today's topic is about simple past tense and past continuous tense. So we will compare these two tense, okay? So it will be help you to remember past tense rules and also to learn past continuous tense. So if you are ready, let's go. Here, firstly, you see a chart. So it compares simple past tense with continuous. And of course, you have to know when we speak about past tense, the verb is really important. You have to know either is a transitive verb or intransitive verb, okay? Because the rules change. So here we start with intransitive verbs because it's easy, easier than transitive, okay? So as you know, the second rule, so you check transitive, intransitive verbs, and you have to know how to find your past stem. So for the present tense, when you conjugate a verb in present tense, you have to memorize, you have to know the present tense stem because there aren't any rules to identify a present stem, okay? But for past tense, we have, okay? So let's say, so here the verb is chun, right? Wait, let me write. So chun, to go. And here, all you need to do is to remove n, and the rest is your past step. So chu is the step, okay? So same thing for verb bun, to be. So the past stem will be bu, okay? And for example, rabun, to get up, past stem is rabu, okay? I think I have to have I have a video about past tense, simple past tense. There you can learn all these finding past tense rules. Okay, it's really easy. So for chun, chu is the past tense, and when I conjugate it, since it's intransitive verbs, just you put the stem and you put the endings. Okay. So here, as chum. Okay? To chuyi, you went. Au chu, he, she went. So here, for past tense, third person for simple past tense and for past continuous, third person doesn't take anything. Okay? The chu or chu, only step. Am, hun, au, chun. And for plural, it is chun, you at the end. So chum, right? Chum was the right one. Chum. Chuyi, and nothing for third person. And chun for plural. Okay? So it is the simple one, simple past tense. Chum, chuyi, chu, chu. And past continuous tense is really easy. So same form with the prefix. So it means I went, and this one as the chu with the means I was going. So you are, let's imagine you are telling a story, like you are explaining a period of time in the past. Yes, I was going, and then it was happening, it was calling, I don't know. So it means I was going. Okay, so you are speaking about a period of time in the past. So as chum, I went. As the chum, the chum. So we have only one difference, the chum, the chum. To chuyi, to the chuyi, you were going. Au chu, au the chu. and plural for simple past tense am أو هون أو تشون, and for the continuous form it will be the tune. So as the chum I was going, to the choyi you were going, أو the cho he she or it was going, am هون أو the tune we you they were going. So let's repeat. Chum the chum, choyi the choyi, chu the chu, chun the chun. So now have a look at these continuous and simple past tense. And be sure that you understood how it works. What is the rule? Okay, so you use the same form but with the. Chu the chu, really easy. Okay. Now let's have a look at this example. So for simple past, let's say as chumale ومن أوديتن. As chumale, I went home. من أوديتن, I saw them. So after like I went home, I arrived home, and I saw them. And here we have same form, but with continuous, a little bit bigger maybe. So as the chumale من أوديتن, I was going home and I saw them. So this part, when you say chumale, so you arrived home and then you saw them. Probably they were at home, right? You saw them من أوديتن. But here, as the chumale من أوديتن. So when I was going home, I saw them, so on the way. So as chumale, I arrived home, I went home, I saw them. I was going home and I saw them. So you saw them on the way. Okay, so let me putting something. And another word, hatten. As you know, it is intransitive as well. So I will show you the finding step. Hatten to come, not to go. To come, right? Hatten is to come. Happen is to come. And if you have a verb ending with n, like hatten, gren, diten, khwasten, khwanden, so you drop n, and the rest is your past step. So hat is the past step. So as hatem, I came, it's simple past. As hatem, to hati, you came. أو هات أم هن أو هات. So as هاتم to هاتي أو هات, I told you third person doesn't take anything. أم هن أو هاتن. It's simple past, right? Let's have a look at continuous. As the هاتم. So what does it mean as the هاتم? It means I was coming. As the hatam. To the hati, you were coming. أو the he or she was coming. Oi. And am hun أو the hatan. So hatam, the hatam. Hati, the hati. Hat, the hat. Hatan, the hat. Okay, so it's really easy. So everything is really easy when you know the stems. Same for present tense. If you don't know present stem, you never know how to conjugate it. So please learn stems. Okay, for past tense there are rules, but for present you memorize. You have to memorize some things when you learn languages. It is the rule. So there is an example. It says, I will make it green. Wait. So دمعكو as حاتم office. دمعكو as حاتم office. When I came to the office, دمعكو as حاتم office. One, they started the meeting. So I came and then they started, right? So جري The meeting started after I arrived at the office. ده معكو as حاتم one دست بجبينك. When I came, they started the meeting. Okay. And here there are some different versions with continues. So first one says, ده معكو as the حاتم office one دست بجبينك. ده معكو as the حاتم office one دست بجبينك. When I was coming, they started the meeting. So they started before I arrived at the office, right? And the second one, it says, ده معكو as حاتم office. So here in the second version, the verb, I did the second verb continues. So it's transitive, but let's have a look at it anyway. ده معكو as حاتم office when I arrived office, when I came to the office, one دست بجبينة ذكر. So they were starting, like they were doing their preparations. They were setting their computers, maybe, I don't know, setting chairs, like they're gathering, making coffee, I don't know. So ده معكو as حاتم one دست بجبينة ذكر. They were starting, like little moment. And the third example, ده معكو as the حاتم officer when I was coming one دست بجبينة ذكر. They were starting. So I was on the way as the حاتم. I was coming. One دست بجبينة. So I didn't see them when they were starting. So because I was coming and they were starting. Okay. So you can, if you want to give like this kind of little informations, you can use continuous. مثلا من فيديو ذكر I was preparing a video باران دباري. It was raining. Okay. So now let's have a look at the second part. Again, we continue with intransitive verbs. So let's have a look at دركتت. دركتت is to leave, right? To go out. And as I told you, if you have an at the end of the infinitive form, the rest you drop an, and the rest is your step. So دركت is the step. As دركتم, I left. هو دركتي, you left. أو دركت, هون أو دركت. And continuous as, so this one is a compound verb, okay? So if it's a compound, there is between the prefix and the verb. So as دركت, do دركتي, أو دركت, هون أو دركت. So I was leaving, you were going out, etc. It is past continuous. Now let's have a look at these examples. So it says, as جمال دركتم أو هفالن من حاتن مالامة. As جمال دركتم أو هفالن من حاتن مالامة. So I left the house and my friends came to our place. So it probably, so the speaker, the person was outside of the house, maybe in the garden, in the street. As جمال دركتم أو هفالن من حاتن مالامة. I left the house and my friends came to our place, our home. Now let's have a look at these versions. So same sentence but with different tense, like with continuous. Bigger little bit, yes. It's too big, maybe. Yes, little bit too big. Wait. So the first example. As جمال دردكتم وهفالن من حاتن معلامة. So دردكتم, it's past continuous. It means I was leaving the house. So I maybe like I was just closing the door. I was leaving the house. وهفالن من حاتن معلامة. So I saw my friends came our place when I was in front of the door, when I was leaving. Okay, when I was leaving. As جمال دردكتم وهفالن من دهاتن مالامة. I was leaving the house as جمال دردكتم وهفالن من دهاتن مالامة. And they were coming to our place. So it like probably the story is, so I was leaving the house. I was in front of the door, locking the I was locking the door, and I saw that the friends are coming. So they were coming, and I was leaving. Okay, and so like two process, okay, process of leaving and process of coming at the same time. As جمالي دركتم, I left the house وهفالين من دهات المالارا. So I left the house and my friends were coming. So I saw them, they were coming. But so the difference between the first one and the third one, so here, as جمالي دركتم هفالين من حد. I left, they came. So I didn't saw when they were coming. But here, as جمالي دركتم وهفالين من دهات, and my friends were coming. Okay? So I saw them when they were coming. So here, dardketem, and in the second one. So both are the process, right? The continuous. As Jamali dardketem. It is simple, pardon. So if it is simple, no need to make it red. So the hearten will be in red because it's continuous. Pasha, I hope you understood how it works. So, now, so this is with intransitive verbs and transitive verbs. So here it wasn't written, but don't forget, with simple tenses, it doesn't matter, simple, like with past tenses, with past, it doesn't matter, it is simple past, continuous, perfect, past perfect, okay, it doesn't matter. It is transitive, okay? So these are transitive verbs. So with transitive verbs, you conjugate the verb according to object, okay? So you add the addings to the verb. So these same endings, nothing, and n for plural, but according to object, okay? So this first sentence says, من هوالا خودit, I saw my friend. من هوالا خودit, I saw my friend. Yeah. And if you want to do it with past continuous, من هوالا خودit. So in English, it does make sense. I was seeing, but in Kurmanji, you can say من هوالا خودit, and I was seeing my friend. It's continuous. And let's have a look at the second. من تشتي خوار. من تشتي خوار. I ate breakfast. I had breakfast. من تشتي خوار. خلاص. And here, من تشتي دخوار. I was eating breakfast. If you want to give more details, دمعكو من تشتي دخوار. When I was eating يوم تتلفوني منكر. You called me. دمعكو من تشتي دخوار. لم تتلفوني منكر. You called me. Okay. The third one. من جسوكي جلوبرg كري. I bought جلوبرg clothes from the bazaar, from the souk. Okay. And this one. دمعكو من جسوكي جلوبرg ذكرين. So it's continuous. When I was buying جلوبرg, when I was in the process of buying, choosing, giving money, where as did she saw me. Where as did دمعكو من جسوكي جلوبرg ذكرين. Where's Ditam? She saw me. Oh, the fourth one. Havalan Shahiyat Lidar Khast. Friends organized a Shahi, a party. And with continuous Havalan Shahiyat Lidar Khast. They were organizing a party. Okay. Fifth one. من خوار خوار وبعض من حد أو ديامن. من خوار من خلاص وبعض من حد أو ديامن أيمن. And my father came to the room. من خوار بعض من حد. So after I finished my food, my father بعض من حد. But here من خوار دخوار. I was eating يوم شوشة gosh برن سوار بعض من حد أو ديامن. So my father saw me when I was eating. من خوارن دخار باقي منهن. اوكي. وشش من ديري ذكر وبسيكا اللي برديري ديت. من ديري ذكر I opened the door and saw the cat in front of the door. بسيكا اللي برديري ديت. وشش من ديري ذكر I was opening من ديري ذكر وبسيك cat هندرمان and the cat entered. من ديري ذكر I was in the process opening من ديري ذكر وبسيك cat هندرمان the cat entered inside house. حتى ما بهوالان رستوران غوتن. ما بهوالان رستوران غوتن. So Strangoten to sing songs, and it's in the past. In the past, you say sung. I don't know in the past. So we sang songs with friends, and here ما بهوالا restaurant goten we were singing. Okay, so we were ما بهوالا restaurant. وهشت من خواست تشتكي ببيجم. I wanted to tell something. Here it is with continuous. من خواست in the past, you speak about in the past and for a period of time. من خواست تشتكي ببيجم. I was wanting. In English it doesn't make sense, but in Kurmanji it makes. So من خواست تشتكي ببيجم. I was wanting to tell something. Okay, so and this is how transitive works with continuous. So same rules, just with the verb is with the. So all the rules are the same, but the verbs with the conjugation with the. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed my video. So I'm really sorry that I gave a very long break. Yeah, you know, sometimes life, you never know what will happen. But yeah, but my aim to do more and more videos in 2024. 2024. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any questions. And if you want to have a look at our upcoming courses or materials, have a look at KurdishLessons.com. KurdishLessons.com. My parama, it's our website. So روجا وبمناقش have a nice day وبخاطر واحد على فيديو يقدم باكا باكا وسرتي على